Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Friends and Family. This feature allows you to send money to people you know, like friends or relatives, without incurring any fees for personal transactions. It's perfect for occasions such as sending a birthday gift, splitting the cost of a dinner, or contributing to a shared household expense. Both you and your recipient will need an active PayPal account to complete the transfer smoothly. To send money, first log into your PayPal account and click on the Send and Request tab. Next, input the recipient's email address or mobile number. It's crucial to select the Sending to a Friend option to ensure no fees are applied to your personal payment. Finally, enter the amount you wish to send, double-check all the details, and then confirm the transaction. The money should arrive in their account almost instantly. It's vital to understand that PayPal's Friends and Family option does not include buyer or seller protection. Therefore, you should only use this feature when sending money to individuals you know and trust completely. Never use it for buying items or services from strangers, as you won't be covered if something goes wrong. Also, be aware that using a credit card to fund your payment might incur a small fee. When you receive money via PayPal Friends and Family, there are typically no fees deducted from the amount. The funds are usually available in your PayPal balance almost instantly. However, if the payment involves different currencies, a currency conversion fee might apply. You can then easily withdraw these funds to a linked bank account or a debit card, usually within 1 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.